So you're here because you don't want to suck at tying your shoes. Well, I know a way. It's a really simple way, and it's going to make you look cool in front of everyone, because that's what I think happens whenever I tie my shoes. So first I'm going to show you. For step 1, all you need to do is make the same little knot that we always make for any other shoe tying method. For step 2, you're going to want the tips of each lace to face in opposite directions. So we're going to have over the right hand, the tip of the right lace pointing to the back of the shoe, and then over the left hand, we have the left lace pointing to the front of the shoe. That's step 2. For step 3, we're going to reach under each lace with each hand that we have here. I'm showing them to you like little crabs. And I'm going to reach over here and grab the tip, reach over here and grab the other tip, pull, and then we got a knot. Now it's very loose because while I'm explaining it to you, I have to do it slower than I should. So let's try that again a little faster. So I've got pointing to the back, pointing to the front, reach over, grab, and tighten. Okay, one last time. So you can see we have the little base knot, and then we have back, front, reach under the lace, pull, reach under the lace, pull, and that's it. And now you don't suck at tying your shoes. You saw how easy that was? So anyway, if you're interested in seeing more stuff like this, just me teaching you random stuff from, my experience as a human, then you can just hit the subscribe button wherever that is. I hope I'm pointing in some direction. And if you like this video, you know what to do. If you dislike this video, do not be afraid to dislike it. It's your right. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you next time.